Hey there, my Crunchified Clean friends. Here is a vacuum cleaner tip. You see the bottom of this brush of my vacuum cleaner? That needs to be removed. So look on the brush of your vacuum cleaner. You need to cut away all the hairs and the strings and anything that may be stuck on it, because if you don't, it will not be brushing the carpet or the rug properly, and it will not be able to pick up the dirt or debris properly, because underneath all those little hairs and strings that are on there is the natural bristles that's on the vacuum cleaner. And those bristles, those little gray ones right there, that's what brushes your carpet and your rug and picks up debris. So you have to cut away the hairs and strings and gunk that's on it and get it cleaned out so that your vacuum cleaner sucks the way it's supposed to. And you will be Crunchified Clean. Stay tuned for more tips. Like, follow, subscribe, and love.